Hi, this is Doug from Asset Smoke Alarms, and he's going to explain why you need smoke alarm maintenance in your rental properties.
Firstly and foremost, functionality. We need the alarm to work, and we do this by using artificial smoke, and obviously we need to have the right amount of smoke alarms correctly positioned in the property.
So it's not just about testing the battery, there's more to it?
Absolutely, and expiry dates. We need to know that the alarm is actually current.
Awesome. So when Doug does the testing of smoke alarms in your property, you get a compliance certificate and you know that you are safe and covered for your tenants and for the rental property. Thanks.